Milatrace Pro guarantees complete instrument traceability. In the Load Management menu, you can enter, edit, and delete load elements. Please click on the plus symbol to add a new load element. You can enter a designation for the load element. If, as in this example, you want to create an instrument set, click on Contents to determine the components of the set. You can now select Instruments under Last Used Elements and add them to or remove them from the set. Please use the smaller plus and minus keys to adjust the number of instruments. Simply assign new elements using the text box and add them to the set using the plus symbol. Click on Apply to conclude the configuration of the instrument set. Afterwards, please determine whether the load element should be sterilized and perform a risk classification. If you use CareClave for reprocessing, please assign the desired hollow body instrument to the corresponding care box. The barcode function ensures even greater efficiency in the decontamination process. The video tutorial explains how to assign barcodes, print barcode lists, and use them to load the devices. You can also save a photo for your load element. To do so, click on the 3 points and select the desired image file on your computer. Finally, please save your entries.